Hey everyone, welcome back to James Review. Today I've got something special to show you, the AbleCarry Daily Plus. Now this bag has been my everyday go-to for a while and I can't wait to share what makes it so versatile and functional. Whether you're commuting, hanging out with friends, or running errands, this bag can do it all. So let's dive in and take a closer look at what sets this bag apart from the rest. First impressions matter. And the Daily Plus delivers. I've got the X-Pac Olive Green X42 version here, and it's got such a modern, slick design that works for just about any occasion. Whether I'm heading to work, grabbing coffee, or spending the day out with friends, this bag transitions effortlessly. It looks good wherever you take it, and let's talk about the X-Pac fabric for a second. It's weather resistant and super durable. I'm living in the Philippines where rain is a regular guest. Weather resistance is a must. I've been caught in more than a few unexpected downpours, but this bag has kept my gear dry every single time. The X-Pac material also makes the bag lightweight, so even when you're packing it full, it's never a chore to carry. Now let's talk about one of my favorite things about the Daily Plus. Its functionality. This bag offers a generous 22 liters of space, which is just the right amount for a daily carry. It's large enough to hold your essentials, but compact enough to not feel bulky. And the pockets? They make organizing your stuff an absolute breeze. Starting with the front pocket, it's perfect for those quick access items, your phone, your wallet, snacks, whatever you need on hand. It's so convenient when you're in a rush and just need to grab something without digging through the whole bag. One really thoughtful feature is the hidden pocket at the top. This has been super handy for my keys and loose change. It's secure yet easy to reach, which is ideal when you're on the go. And for my fellow tech users, check this out. The dedicated laptop sleeve fits my gaming laptop perfectly. We're talking a 16-inch beast of a machine, and it slides right in without a hinge. The padding here is solid, so I never have to worry about my gear getting bumped around. There's also a tablet compartment that fits pretty much any tablet you have, whether you're carrying tech for work, entertainment, or both. The Daily Plus has got you covered. One feature I really appreciate is this extra sleeve for small books and notebooks. It's perfect for jotting down ideas or taking notes on the go. Definitely a nice touch for anyone who likes to stay organized. On the sides, you've got a stealthy pocket for a water bottle or an umbrella. It's great knowing I can stay hydrated or prepared for rain, especially with the weather we get here in the Philippines. Inside the main compartment, it's all about thoughtful organization. There are dedicated slots for your smaller items, whether it's chargers, headphones, or cables. There's even an additional zippered compartment for your smaller items, which helps keep everything tidy. It's honestly such a relief to have a bag that makes it easy to stay organized. Everything has its place and I don't have to worry about my stuff getting jumbled together. I also appreciate the attention to detail when it comes to protecting my devices. The laptop sleeve is well padded and there's just enough structure to keep everything safe without the bag feeling stiff or bulky. There's also an attachment loops on the front are a neat little touch. If you need to carry more gear, maybe a carabiner, flashlight, or even a small pouch, you can easily hook it here. It adds extra versatility without cluttering the design. Comfort is key when it comes to a daily bag, and the Daily Plus nails it. The adjustable padded shoulder straps are super comfortable. And even on long days when the bag is fully packed, no strain on my shoulders, and the fit is just right. The back panel is also designed with a breathable mesh, which is a lifesaver on those hot days. Trust me, in the Philippines, you'll appreciate anything that helps with airflow when you're walking around all day. What I love the most is how versatile this bag is. Whether I'm heading out to work, meeting up with friends, or even just going for a casual day out, this bag fits seamlessly into any situation. It doesn't scream tech bag or work bag, but it's functional enough to do both. Plus, the design is slick enough to transition from professional settings to more casual environments effortlessly. I've put this bag through its test and it held up no matter what I needed it for. From carrying my laptop and books to the office, packing snacks and gear for a day out with friends, it's been the perfect companion. It's those little things like being able to quickly grab what I need, and that makes the Daily Plus such a standout. To sum it all up, the AbleCarry Daily Plus has earned a permanent spot in my collection. It's stylish, functional, comfortable, and incredibly well thought out. Whether you need a bag for work, play, or both, this one ticks all the boxes. Huge thanks to AbleCarry for sending this over for me to try out. It's been an absolute pleasure to use. If you're interested in grabbing one for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description. It's definitely worth checking out if you're in the market for a versatile daily bag. Thank you so much for watching. If this review helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews like this. Got any questions about the AbleCarry Daily Plus? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. And let me know what other gear you'd like to see me review next. Until then, take care and I'll catch you in the next video.